Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Veloce on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can of course see it's a 5-door car with tinted windows, those black alloy wheels, the yellow brake calipers. We're going to start off inside its boot space first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, those twin tailpipes, plenty of boot space, and you can increase this space should you wish to by folding down any or all of those 3 rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in great condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around this great looking vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, then the rev counter. Over on the right-hand side, the speedometer and the fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 33,272 at the time of recording this video, of course. We have a digital readout for the speedometer available in that central section as well. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have over on the left-hand side our cruise control, our downhill brake control. We've got adaptive cruise just here as well. The start and stop button for the engine itself. Over on the right-hand side, our stereo and phone controls. So behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedal, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the centre next, we have the main screen for the car. So you can see I'm making movement on the screen as we're speaking. And that is being done using this dial. The home button will take you back to the home screen at any time you wish to access it. And then, as I say, the dial can control everything else. So you can, for example, push the dial down to enter your satellite navigation menu, or you can use the touchscreen should you wish to. So you don't have to use the dial. The dial is far easier to use whilst the vehicle is in motion. You can, of course, pair up your phone. We have a driver assistance menu, a climate control menu, but we do have physical controls for that. Kind of trip computer menu, vehicle information, as you can see, connected services and settings. So lots of different things you can access here, including, of course, your audio menu. So we are listening to the radio currently, and you can access your different saved preset radio stations down the bottom just here. We have our AM, FM and DAB radio, USB inputs as well. 3 of those, in fact. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you paired up your phone, and auxiliary input. So loads of ways to listen to music in this car. And if I pop the vehicle into reverse, a full colour reversing camera as well. Working our way down from that, we have the physical climate control settings just here. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. All settings will show along the bottom of the screen as you make the adjustments. So that's your air conditioning off, back on again, or you can hit auto. So for the driver side, the car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain the temperature that I've asked for. Any manual adjustment, you can see auto has now gone off. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings. Same over here on the passenger side. We have a heated steering wheel as well. A USB input, a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders. You can close this over should you wish to. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, along with an electronic handbrake. The volume for your stereo. The controls went through just a moment ago, and then Alfa Romeo's DNA system. So N would be normal, natural, just your everyday driving. If you put it into D, you're in dynamic, and then back to normal, and then all weather. Last thing I wanted to mention is the sunroof. So we have a sun blind that you can open and close, and of course, the sunroof section itself will actually open and close. So with that shut, you can leave it like this and it lets in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area. But if you wish to, as I say, there is a sun blind that you can close over in different stages, or of course, completely. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new. We have plenty of service documents underneath there, which we'll be more than happy to run through in person. The last service was done in April of this year, 2025. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.